You know, shooting a revolver is a lot of fun, and these guns right here are pretty doggone good for hunting too. But cleaning a revolver takes some special attention. I'm gonna let Lisa Marie show you how that's done.
We're gonna start with a cleaning rod with a patch on the end of it. We're gonna dip that patch in Lucas Oil bore solvent and ultrasonic cleaner. And then insert it through the muzzle all the way through, and then through each one of the chambers in the cylinder. Next, we're going to use a cleaning brush this brass brush, and again insert it through the muzzle, through the barrel to break up any firing residue, and through each one of these chambers. Once we've done that, we're going to take a brass bristled brush. Be sure to make sure that there is no buildup on the chamber throat and forcing cone. And if there is, you're just going to take a brass brush, dip it in a little bit of bore solvent, and brush it out. On the face of the cylinder, you'll see that it gets a real dark carbon buildup. And this is often has to be done by taking a brush and scrubbing it away. And you're not going to get very far. What we recommend, gunmetal polish and tumbler media additive. Make sure that you shake it real well, and then apply a small amount to a microfiber towel or lintless rag. Apply it to the face of the cylinder and just gently scrub it away with your finger. So as you can see, the gunmetal polish removes all of that carbon that is left on the face of the cylinder. What you need to do now is remove the extra gunmetal polish out of the inside of each one of these chambers of the cylinder. And I do this with one of these large industrial Q-tips just because it's quick and easy. Also, be sure that you do not have any excess underneath the extractor star. The last thing we're going to do is oil the revolver. We put a light coat of oil on the extractor rod, and then with your cloth, if you're going to store it, use a little bit of CLP. Which is a cleaner, a lubricant, and has a rust inhibitor to protect your gun during storage. And also with a patch, a light coat of oil down the bore in each one of the chambers. And that is how you clean and lubricate a double action revolver. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments below. To learn more about the Lucas Oil Extreme Duty gun line, go to lucasoiloutdoor.com.